For number 7, they ask us, given the equation y equals 3x squared minus 6x plus 10, rewrite the equation using transformation form, which is also vertex form, using completing the square. When I read this problem, I automatically assume that a is going to have to equal to 1, and we're going to do that by multiplying in this situation. I know that I'm going to have to use negative b over 2 squared to find the common factor. I know I'm going to have to factor, and I know that vertex form is y equals a x minus h squared plus k. So my first step is to multiply so that a is equal to 1. And I multiply 1 over 3 so that I can cancel out 3, which was a in this case. And I eventually get 1 over 3y equals x squared minus 2x plus 10 over 3. My second step was to move c to the other side. In this case, it is negative 10 over 3. And I eventually get 1 over 3y minus 10 over 3 equals x squared minus 2x. And my third step was to add common factors to both sides by using negative b over 2 squared. And if I plug in b for 2, I eventually get my common factor as 1. My fourth step is to, I missed a step, sorry. I have to add the common factor to both sides, so I get 1 over 3y minus 10 over 3 plus 1 equals x squared minus 2x plus 1. And my fourth step is to factor to find the perfect square, and in this situation I use box method, and my perfect square was x minus 1, so I added that to my formula, and eventually got 1 over 3y plus negative 10 over 3 plus 1 equals x minus 1 squared. My fifth term was to add the like terms, and this is because I didn't do it sooner. So I get negative 7 over 3 when I add negative 10 over 3 plus 1. So my formula now is 1 over 3y plus negative 7 over 3 is equal to x minus 1 squared. And now I have to put the c term back into its original place. And I get 1 over 3y is equal to x minus 1 squared plus 7 over 3. And I have to isolate y now by multiplying by 3, because that would cancel out that 1 over 3 before the y. And I get y is equal to 3 x minus 1 squared plus 7. And that's my answer.